Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making an Italian sandwich or a sub. Let's begin. In a pan, heat oil on medium heat, then fry sliced onion until it is caramelized. Stir rarely so that you give the onion a chance to get charred or to caramelize. Sprinkle brown sugar. Then add balsamic vinegar and stir. Add salt, then reduce it until it becomes thick on low heat. Let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, place mayonnaise, then add minced garlic, fresh chopped basil, then stir or mix. A big shout out to you, my returning subscriber, my family. Thank you so much for your great support on this channel. Our sauce is ready. Cut the bread into half lengthwise, then spread the mayonnaise sauce. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Once done spreading the sauce, lay your cold meats. I'm laying the cold ham and making sure that it overlaps. I did another sub that had chicken and turkey. I'll check it and put it in the description box. Add and overlap pepperoni, salami. Follow with black forest ham slices. Overlap them as well. These meats are bringing different flavors and add provolone cheese or any Italian cheese like gorgonzola, pecorino, etc. Then follow with crisps. I've used salt and pepper ones. Let's make a dressing for our salad. In a bowl, place olive oil, red wine vinegar, your herb oregano. I've used oregano as some call it, then smoked chili flakes. Add black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Remember, these ingredients are added on other items. Be careful in terms of how much you add.
The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Place the washed, dried, and chopped lettuce in a bowl, then add the dressing and toss to mix. Please do not put too much dressing that it sits at the bottom.
Two hearts running wild.
Add the salad to the sandwich, followed by the caramelized onion. Please press the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Add sliced gherkins or pickles.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
Add slices of tomato and season them with salt and pepper. Close the sandwich and wrap it up either using a wax paper or a cling wrap. Allow it to sit for 2 minutes before eating it. This helps it for the flavors to blend. Please do not forget to press the like button. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you will enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.